Come shop with us today at our local JOANN's. Hey everyone, it's Ashley with Southern Sewing Company. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm shopping with 3 of 5 children, which is always fun in this big store with all the toys. But we have a lot of projects going on this week, and of course I need something for each, so we have got to do some shopping. First stop is the white solid fabric for a baby lattice quilt and name quilts for my Etsy shop. Next, I know you Alabama fans will appreciate this backing for a new t-shirt quilt. Also making 2 baby blankets from a wedding dress, so this satin binding is for those. I'll have to go back to the fleece department, I forgot that. Also restocking pink embroidery thread on my hand embroidered swaddle kits, so check that out on my website. Those are definitely going to go fast. You can also hear Cam and Blake in the background pretending they're race cars throughout JOANN. Last stop is to get the fleece for the wedding dress baby blankets and then to the cutting counter. Cam is not very impressed with my purchases, and I forgot the basting spray. I guess this gives me an excuse to go back. Thanks for joining us.